Hey guys, here we are with one more latest Redmi 9 Prime phone. Here you can see the box. So let's open this. After open this box, here some paper material with TPO case. After this you can find out your device. Let's see which accessories are given. And here you 18 watts fast charger with USB-C type cable. Now let's focus on our phone. Here the touching is really nice according to display. Here you can see 6.53-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. The display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 as per camera setup, where primary lens with 18 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel micro and 2 megapixel depth camera, so no doubt it's really good. As per battery, here you can see 5020 mAh battery with 18 watts charger with type C. As per performance, here you can see MediaTek G80 processor, where the gaming experience is really good. As per price range, the processor is given is really strong. From top you can see here 3.5mm headphone jack is available. As per color variations, here you can see 4 colors: first sunrise flare, second cream color, third black, and fourth is not available, so which is purple in color. As per price, here 4GB RAM with 64GB ROM available, which is available on 10,000 rupees, and 4GB RAM with 128GB ROM and 12,000 rupees. I think it is not so expensive regarding to features, so what's your opinion? Comment below. So guys, this is only for you, so please support our channel to grow by like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you in next video. Have a great day.